Yes, we are in live now. So good afternoon everyone. Those who are in live now, good evening everyone. So I would like to request all of you to kindly share this class. All of you kindly like and as always share this class. So, hello everyone, this is Subhrajit and welcome to the live session of Symbiosis, the Wings of Art of Winning. So, once again, good afternoon. So, you see the thumbnail and already understand what I will discuss today. In my previous class, I already discussed errors in measurement. Okay? And today I will discuss some important MCQs from this part. Okay, from this part means errors in measurements. Okay, now once again I would like to request all of you to kindly share this class. All of you Okay, so let's start. So in previous class I already discussed this part. Okay, I already discussed this part, and now just repeat the rules, 3 rules. Okay, you already see in the previous class that the combination of errors. Okay, you already got that the combination of errors, and what is the combination of errors, and the what is the 3 rules of it. Okay, you already understand it. So you see here is the first rule. Okay, here is the first rule, that del z equals to del a plus del b, and for difference del z equals to del a minus del b. But where the two a and b are the two physical quantities, and that have measured values like a plus minus del a and b plus minus del b. Okay, and here del a and del b are the absolute errors. Okay, and we got that the maximum possible error in that in Z is del Z equals to del A, del Z equals to del A plus minus del B. We already have got that. Okay. Next rule number 2. Okay. Next rule number 2. Here you see that in rule number 2, just one second. In rule number 2, you see that the maximum relative error is del Z divided by Z is equals to del A divided by A plus del B divided by capital B. Okay, and here let the equation is Z equals to A into B. Okay, and the measured values of A and B are like A plus minus del A and B plus minus del B. We already have got this. Okay, and here is the rule number 3. Okay, here is the rule number 3. So you see that in rule number 3, this is sorry, just one second. The rule number 3 is del Z divided by Z is equals to K into del A divided by capital A, and we let the equation is Z equal to A to the power K. Here here you see that the relative error in a physical quantity raised to the power, here K is the power, K is the K times the relative error in the individual quantity. Okay, in the individual quantity. So here we let this equation, and we got the rule number 3 is del Z divided by Z is equals to K times the del A divided by del capital A. Okay, got it? Now we already have got that. This question that find the relative error in Z if Z equals to A to the power 4, B to the power 1/3 whole divided by C into D to the power 3/4. Now, how we will find it? So you here del Z divided by Z is equals to 4 into del A divided by A. Okay, for A to the power 4 plus for B to the power 1/3, here 1/3 del B by B. Got it? And for C, here plus del C divided by C. Okay, and plus for D to the power 3/4, here plus 3/4 into del D divided by capital D. Got it? And in this way we can find the relative error of any quantity or any equation. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay. Next you see one question, and I already have give you this question for homework purpose. Okay. Now everyone do this question. Question number 1. You see the question number 1. Question number 1 is, this is previous year NEET question. Here question number 1 is, if error in the measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%, okay, and the question is, what will be the error in the measurement of volume? So your question is, what will be the error in the measurement of volume? Okay, you see 4 question here. Now find out. Now find out what will be the answer. First, those who are in live now, everyone, kindly do this question. Everyone, those who are in live now, kindly do this question. So you see that here the question is what will be the error in the measurement of volume. So here volume of a sphere is here volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and the given is error in the measurement of a radius of a sphere is 2%, means del r divided by r into 100%, that is equal to 2%, that is given. Okay, so volume of a sphere B equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, okay, so from here we can write that del V divided by V is equals to for r cube 3 into del r divided by r. Got it? This part is constant. Okay, so from here the question is what will be the error in the measurement of a volume. So del V divided by V into 100%, that is equal to 3 into del R divided by R into 100%. So in the question that is given, you already have seen that. So here 3 into 2%. So the answer is 6%, means option number B. Got it? Option number B. Everyone got it? So for question number 1, option B is correct. Okay, you can take the screenshot of it. Okay, so the answer is option number B. Sorry. So question number B is correct. So what will question is what will be the error in the measurement of volume, that is equals to 6%. Okay, next question number 2. Do this everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this question. Everyone do this question. The question is question number 2. That is also important for NEET. Okay, so the question number 2 is the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 4% and 3% respectively, and the question is the maximum error in the measurement of density will be. Here the 4 options are here. Now answer everyone. Answer. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. Do this everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. So here question is that the given quantities are the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length. Mass and maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are given. Okay, and you want to find the maximum error in the measurement of a density. Okay, so density rho equals to m by v, mass by volume. Okay, now we can write this volume as L cube. Okay, we can write this as the density rho equals to m by L to the power 3 or m by L cube. Okay, now we want to find maximum error in the measurement of density. Okay, so here we can write del rho divided by rho. Okay, del rho divided by rho, this is equals to del m divided by m plus for this 3 into del L divided by L. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Now next step is del rho by rho into 100%. That is equal to del m divided by m into 100% plus 3 into del L divided by L into 100%. Got it? So here the given quantities are maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are given. Okay, which are 4% and 3% respectively. So here we can write that this one is 3% plus 3. Sorry. First one is 4%. Okay, first one is 4%, means mass is 4% and length is 3%. So here plus 3 into 3%. That means 4% plus 9%, that is equal to 13%. Got it? So the answer is 13%. So the question is the maximum error in the measurement of a density will be, so the answer is 13%, means option number D. Got it, everyone? Answer number D is correct. Okay, you can take the screenshot. So the question is about the maximum error in the measurement of a density will be, so the correct answer is option D, 13%. Okay, 13% is the correct answer. Okay, now move to the next question. So here 13% is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 3, that is important for IIT JEE. That is important for IIT JEE. Do this, everyone. Those who are in live now, do this as fast as possible. So the question number 3 is, a wire has a mass is about 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram and the radius is about 0.5 plus minus 0.005 millimeter and the length is about 6 plus minus 0.06 centimeter. In the maximum percentage error in the measurement of its density is. Here 4 options are given. Now do this, everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. Do this. Do this, everyone. Those who are in live now, do this. Question number 3. Do this. Those who are in live now, everyone, do this. Here question number 3 is important for IIT JEE. Here we want to find the maximum percentage error in the measurement of its density. Here 3 things is given. 3 things is given. Everyone do this. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. we want to find the maximum percentage error in the measurement of its density. So the density rho is equals to, you already know, rho equal to m by v. Got it? And this one we can write that area into its length. Okay, or we can write it as m divided by pi r square l. Okay, pi r square l for wire. We can write it as like density rho equals to m by pi r square l. Okay, got it? Next we can find, we can write it del rho by rho is equals to del m by m plus for r square. Okay, for r square 2 into del r divided by r plus for l plus del l divided by l. Got it? Got it, everyone? Now you see that the given quantities are here. The wire has a mass is about 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram. Okay, so here this one is m and this one is del m, as well as this one is r and this one is del r, and as well as this one is l and this one is del l. Got it, everyone? Which quantities are given? Got it, everyone? Okay, now put these values. So here this is 0.003 divided by 0.3. Okay, plus 2 into del r, that means 0.205 divided by 0.5. Got it? Plus for del l 0.06 divided by 6. Got it? So here after calculate we can write this one is 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now we can write it as, so here we want to find the maximum percentage error. Okay, for that we can write it here del rho by rho into 100%, that is equal to 1% plus 2% plus 1%. Actually del rho by rho into 100% is equals to del m by m into 100% plus 2 into del r by r into 100%, and as well as plus del l by l into 100%. So we can write it here as del rho by rho into 100%, that is equal to 1% plus 2% plus 1%. So the answer is 4%. So the correct option is option D, 4%. Got it, everyone? Got it? Those who are in live now, got it, everyone? Okay. So the question is the question was the maximum percentage error in the measurement of its density. So the correct option is option D, that is 4%. Okay, so the measurement of its density is about 4%. Okay, the 4% is the correct answer. Got it? Next, move on to the next question. Now question number 4. So the correct option of question number 3 is option number D, that is 4%. Okay, now question number 4, that is the previous year G Mains 2018 question. G Mains 2018 question. Question number 4. Everyone do this. Question number 4 is about the percentage error in the quantities P, Q, R and S are 0.5%, 1%, 3% and 1.5% respectively in the measurement of a physical quantities of equation A equals to PQ, Q square divided by root over RS. Root over is whole root over. Okay. divided by root over RS, and the question is the maximum percentage error in the value of A will be. Everyone do this. Do this, everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. Question number 4. 4 options are given in the screen. Everyone do this. Do this, everyone. So here the equation is A equals to P cube Q square whole divided by root over RS. Okay. Now from here we can write it del A by A into 100%. Directly we can write it here. That is equals to 3 into del P by P into 100%. Okay. Plus 2 into del Q by Q into 100%. Okay. Plus for root over RS half into del R by R plus del S by S, that is into 100%. Okay. So the percentage error of this quantity, that means P, Q, R and S are already given in the question. Okay. Now put this. So here is 3 into, first one is 3 into 0.5, that means 3 into half percent, plus the second one is 2 into 1%, plus the third one is 3 and the fourth one is 1.5. So half into 3% plus half into 1.5, that means 3 by 2%. After calculate, we can find the answer is about 6.5%. Okay. So the question was the maximum percentage error in the value of A will be. So the correct option is 6.5%. Got it, everyone? So option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. Okay. Got it, everyone? So the correct option of question number 4 is option number D, 6.5%. Got it, everyone? Got it? So the maximum percentage error in the value of A, that will be 6.5%. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Okay. Move on to the next question. Next question is question number 5. You see in the screen, that one is the previous year question of IIT 2011. This is the question of IIT 2011. Sorry. One second. So question number 5. Question number 5 is the previous year question of IIT 2011. Okay. So question number 5 is that the density of a solid ball is to be determined in an experiment. And say that the diameter of the ball is measured with a screw gauge whose pitch is about 0.5 millimeter, and there are 50 divisions on the circular scale. The reading on the main scale is about 2.5 millimeter, and that on the circular scale is about 20 divisions. Okay. And if the measured mass of the ball has a relative error of about 2%, then the relative percentage error in the densities will be 4 options are given in the screen. Everyone do this question. Those who are in live now, Everyone do this question. Everyone. Question number 5. That is the previous year question of IIT 2011. Do this. Everyone. Four options are given in the screen. Everyone do this. Do this, everyone. So here we want to find the relative percentage error in the densities. Okay. First we find the least count, that means del R. So least count that is equal to pitch divided by total division on circular scale. Okay, so the pitch is 0.5 divided by total division on circular scale is about 50. Okay, so we can find it 0.01 millimeter. That is also del R. Okay, we already have got the values of del R, means least count. Got it, everyone? Okay, now we want to find small r. Okay, so small r is del R, that is equal to main scale reading, plus circular scale into least count. Got it, everyone? Okay, so small r, that is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale division into multiply with it is least count. Okay, now put the values. So here main scale reading is about 2.5 mm. Put it 2.5 plus circular scale division is 20. So plus 20 into least count is 0.01. You already have find that 0.01 mm. Okay. So here we can find it that 2.7 mm millimeter. So we already have find that del R and as well as small r value. Okay. Now find del R divided by R. Del R divided by R, that is equals to 0.01 divided by 2.7. Okay, and that one is 0.2037. Okay, 0.2037. That is the value of del R divided by R. Okay. Okay, I remove this portion. Okay, so we already find the values of del R by R. Now we want to find the percentage error in the densities. Okay, so here rho, that is density, rho equals to m by v, or we can write it as m divided by r cube. Okay, where r is the radius. Okay, so from here we can write it as del rho divided by rho into 100%. That is equal to del m by m plus 3 into del r divided by r, and that is equal to del m by m Okay, that one is given. That one is 2% into 100% into 100%. Okay, so that one is given, that is 2%. This one is 2%, and this one is 3 into 0.2037%. Sorry, 37 into 100 into 100%. Okay, so from here we can find the values of it as 2% plus 1.11%, and that is equals to 3.11%. Okay, so the correct option is option number C, 3.1%. So the correct option is 3.1, option number C. Okay, got it everyone? Got it? Those who are in lab now? Again I request all of you kindly share this class. All of you. Okay, got it? So the question was the relative percentage error in the densities that then densities will be, so the correct option is option number C, that is equals to 3.11%. Okay, so the option number C is correct, that is 3.1. Okay, next move on to the next question. Now next move on to the next question, option number 6. Option number 6 is if voltage V equals to 100 plus minus V volt and the current I equals to 10 plus minus 0.2 ampere, then what will be the percentage error in resistance R? Option, 4 options are given. Do this, everyone do this. Question number 6. Question number 6. Do this everyone. 4 options are given. Everyone do this. This question is easy. Do this. Here V and I already is given. That means, just 1 second. That means this one is del V, this one is B. Sorry. V, del V, and this one is I, del I. Okay, these quantities are already given. So we want to find the percentage error in relative error R is. Do this everyone. Do this. Everyone do this. We want to find the percentage error in resistance R is. Do this everyone. So we already know one equation, that is V equals to IR. We already know that. So from here we can find R equal to V divided by R. Okay. Now from here del R divided by R, that is equals to del V divided by V plus del I divided by I. Okay. Now del R divided by R into 100%, that is equals to del V by V into 100% plus del I divided by I into 100%. Okay, got it? And these values are already have given in the question. Okay, now put these values. Put these values. This one is 5 divided by 100 into 100% plus 0.2 divided by 10 into 100%. Okay, so from here we find that 5% plus 2%, that is equals to 7%. So our correct option is option number C, that is 7%. So the percentage error in resistance capital R, that is equals to 7%, means option number C is correct. Okay, got it everyone? So for question number 6, the correct option is option number C, that is 7%. Got it everyone? Now move on to the next question. Option number 7. Option number 7, do this. Everyone, those who are in live now, everyone do this. Question number 7 in the screen. Do this. Here question number 7 is a physical quantity P equals to root over of ABC square, okay, divided by D cube e to the power 1/3 is determined by measuring A, B, C, D and E separately with a percentage error of about 2%, 3%, 2%, 1% and 6% respectively. Now the question is, minimum amount of error is contributed by the measurement is. 4 options are given in the screen. Everyone do this. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. Do this everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. Here that one is whole root over, okay, whole root over. Do this everyone. Those who are in live now, everyone do this. This question is also important. So the question is, minimum amount of error is contributed by the measurement. Now we can find the errors contributed by A. First of all, we can find the error contributed by A. From here, we can find that small a, that is equals to half into, from here, del A divided by A. Okay, and here the given quantities are percentage error is 2%. So here half into, just one second, okay, into 100%. So that one is given 2%. So half into 2%, that means error contributed by A, that is equals to 1%. Got it? Now error contributed by B, that is half into del B by B into 100%. So half into, that one is given, that is 3%. So this is 3 by 2, that means 1.5%. Got it? Now error contributed by C. Error contributed by C is half into 2. Okay, now this one is from this equation. We can write all of these from this equation. Okay, got it? From this equation. So here C equal to half into 2 del C by C into 100%. Okay, so this one is 2%. So already I got that this one is 3%. Okay, got it? Now error contributed by D. Okay, error contributed by D, that is 3 into del D by D into 100%. Okay, this one is given, this one is 1%, that means 3 into 1%, that means this one is error contributed by D is 3%. Now for E, now error contributed by E, that is equals to 1/3 into del E by E into 100%. Okay, that is equals to 1/3 into, that one is 6. Okay, so this one is also 2%. So here we already find the error contributed by A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now check which one is minimum amount? Now check which one. Answer. Here question is minimum amount of error is contributed by the measurement. So now we will check which error is minimum. So you can see that for A, this one is minimum number of error, that means 1%. So option B is correct. This is E. Sorry, that means option B, A. Minimum amount of error is contributed by the measurement is small a. Got it? Got it, everyone? So for question number 7, the correct option is option number B, that means small a. Got it, everyone? Those who are in live now, got it? Next, move on to the next question. Question number D. Question number 8. Question number 8. Do this, everyone. Question number 8 is, if percentage change in current through a resistor is 1%, then the change in the power through it would be. 4 options are given in the screen. Do it. Those who are in live now, everyone, do it. Do it. Question number 8. 4 options are given in the screen. Do it, everyone. The question is, if percentage change in current through a resistor is 1%, then the question is, the change in the power through it would be. 4 options are given in the screen. Do it, everyone. Do it. We want to find the change in the power through it. Do it, everyone. Everyone, do this. Question number 8. Do this, everyone. So here we want to find the change in the power through it. Okay. So we know the equation P equal to I square R. All of you know it. Okay. So from here we can write it as del P by P into 100%, that is equals to 2 into del I by I into 100% plus del R divided by R into 100%. Okay. And you see that one is given. That one is here. You see that the given quantities is the percentage change in the current through a resistor is about 1%. So that is equal to 2 into 1%. Okay. And this is the resistance part. So this one is 0. Okay. So we can find the answer is 2%. Okay. 2% means option number B. Option number B is correct. Okay. So the question was the change in the power through it would be. So option number B is correct, means 2. Okay. So the change in the power through it, that would be 2%. That would be 2%, means option number B is correct. Okay, got it, everyone? Got it? So option number B is correct. Okay. So that's it. Thank you, everyone. So today you already see most important question from this portion means errors in the measurement. Okay. Next day I will discuss the topic from 12th class. Okay. So thank you, everyone. Those who are in live now. Thank you. That's it. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Okay. Goodbye.